Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to unsync Instagram from Facebook in 2022. Now this will be different for every single account, but what you can do is you can go to the right upper hand corner, click on that icon and then go to settings. Then from settings, what you can do is go to the account, and from the account go to sharing to other apps. Here we can go and we can click on sharing to other apps. We can click on that, and then obviously we can click where do we want to share. But for some of you, you will have the option to actually automatically share to your Instagram story, to your Instagram posts, and to your Instagram reels. Now what you can do is you can turn off sharing or automatically share options, and that will basically stop the automatic sharing for your account. Now what you can also do is on this option you will have account center, and you will be able to go and disconnect your Meta account from your Instagram. Now what you can also do is go to edit profile, and then from edit profile, if you have any page here, as you can see it says connect or create because I haven't connected any page, but you can go here and you can basically disconnect a Facebook page. So these are the two different ways how to unsync Instagram from Facebook. Again, really simple ways to do it. For me it's different, for you it will be different as well. So again, if you can't do it in the first way, just go edit profile and go to the page and disconnect the page. If you don't have any page connected, then you can't unsync Instagram from Facebook because you don't have any page connected. So that's pretty much it. If you find this video useful, leave a like down below, comment down below, of course, if this video helped you out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video.